Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a refreshingly nutritious topic: the intriguing nutritional facts and numerous health benefits of watermelon juice. So sit back, relax, and get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge. Watermelon juice is not only a delightfully sweet and invigorating beverage, perfect for those scorching summer days, but it's also a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. This wonderfully refreshing drink offers a fantastic nutritional profile, packed with vitamin A, which plays a key role in eye health and immune function, as well as vitamin C, known for its contribution to collagen production and immune support. It's also an excellent source of the mineral potassium, integral for nerve function and muscle control. But it doesn't stop there. Watermelon juice boasts an impressive content of antioxidants, including lycopene, which have numerous potential health benefits. Plus, it is highly hydrating with over 90% water content and low in calories, making it an ideal inclusion in any health-conscious diet. Now, let's delve into the remarkable health benefits that scientific research has linked with watermelon juice. Studies suggest it can aid digestion due to its high water and fiber content and reduce inflammation. Furthermore, it can potentially enhance physical performance by alleviating muscle soreness post-intense exercise, credited to an amino acid called L-citrulline. What's more, watermelon juice could play a part in blood pressure management. This benefit is likely a combination of the effects of potassium, which can counterbalance the negative impacts of salt and lessen the stress on the cardiovascular system, and L-citrulline, which can improve arterial function. Emerging research even suggests that the antioxidant lycopene, present in watermelon juice, is associated with lower risks of certain types of cancer, including prostate and breast cancer. Although research in this area is ongoing, the potential health benefits are indeed promising. So whether you're seeking relaxation by the beach or are engaged in strenuous physical activity, watermelon juice can provide significant hydration alongside a multitude of health benefits. We appreciate your time today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of watermelon juice and wish to learn more about such topics, remember to subscribe to our channel for more scientifically grounded and informative content. Enjoy your day.